Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. And then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and tap on edit. Now let me quickly remove the photo. And as you can see, we will have this plus icon, so let's tap on it, and you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Now let's find something in your gallery. And here in this step you can change the position of that highlighted square. You can zoom it, you can make it smaller or bigger. And basically thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on OK. And as you can see, the photo will be immediately applied, so let's tap on done. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like after applying a photo. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.